Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Power BI for non-tech made easy. So this is our fifth video and we have a very interesting topic by today. So the topic is for today is types of filter in Power BI. So you can see that we have generally four type of filters are available. Filter on all pages, that is a filter on a report. So the report is the whole Power BI file. Filter on this page, you can see that we have multiple pages. And filter on visual, when we click on any visual, so the available columns that is already available in the visual, we can filter it out, but we can bring the other columns as well to put in the filter for visual level. So let me show you my sample data for today. So it has a 2021 and 2020 data available, you can see. And if I will put a filter for month for year for 2021, so I will bring on the filter on all pages. Before I will click, you can see that we have a filter 2021 available. And when I will put a filter on all pages, and basically we have other options available for the filter itself that we will cover in later in the video. So if I will click 2021, so you can see that now we have the 2021 data available on all the pages. So you can see that it's a report level filter that will be available in any report. So for the we have put the 2021. So if I want to remove, and it is using basic filtering. So there is a advanced filtering, we will cover it later, and this is a basic filtering. So I will, and if you want to remove clear filter, so I will clear the filter, and now you can see that we have a 2020 and 2021 data available. So now we will now you can see that we have a data available for countries. So if I want to just bring the value for now I'm removing this filter, and I will bring the country filter for this page. Okay, so I need just Canada. So you can see that now Canada is available, and you can mark this page name as Canada. So this is for this page contains the data for the visuals for the data infographics for just Canada. Or I can select multiple option, or by using advanced filter I can, you can see that we have select the two of the, you can say, values Canada and France, and it is already populating. But if I want to say that does not contain, then I will put it Canada, and I have to press the apply filter, then the Canada will not be available. So you can mark this page as not Canada. So this is the advanced filtering that I did not want this sort of country in my page. Okay, and you can just remove the is blank, is not blank, is not in, and is means that just you need to Canada, and you can see that we are just bringing the Canada. Okay, so contain and is and this sort of thing, you can put the filter over here. So now moving ahead toward our visual level filter, so I will remove it. Or you can say that if I will put for advanced filtering, if I will clear it out and I will put the month. Okay, so but I will put the month number over here, filter on this page, and let's say advanced filtering, and I will say that is between is greater than, you have to bring the for the 6 month, so is greater than 6, and apply a filter, so it will just bring the value for November, September, October for the last six, for the last 6 month, last six half year of the year. So okay, so this is for advanced filtering. Now we will come back to our visual level filter. So we have multiple option for visual level filter. So there is another thing that is available, top n. So if I want to if I want bring a profit in the column as well, you can see that we have a profit. And what is the advantage of the top n? So if I want to select those countries that are top as per the profit, top 2 as per the profit, so I will put top 2 and I will say that I need as per the profit, and I will apply the, let bring the column over here and I will apply the filter. So you can see that we have only Germany and France, and you have no idea what is happening behind the scenes. So I will remove the segment, I will remove the date, and you can see that we have France and Germany as per the profit top 2. If I will put top 1, so it will bring just one column, and if I will say top bottom one and apply the filter, then it will say Mexico or top 3. So we have 5 columns, so we can say Canada, Mexico and US. These are the as per top 3 as per the bottom as per the profit. So you put the unit sold, the sale price, so you can make up you can see that which item of your or which country has more profit, which two top countries or bottom two countries have more profit. So you can bring one one data for bottom and data one for top. So you can say that I will say two countries for top and apply a filter, so we can see that we can show the bottom 3 and top 2 by sale. One more thing, if I will add a date over here, and let's say I will make it a hierarchy, remove the hierarchy and make a date. Okay, so I there is one more thing, you can see that there is a advanced filtering also available. Not so sorry, we can apply on the date. Okay, so we can put a relative date and we can say is in the last uh, 200 days include today, so it include today as well, or we can say is in the last 6 months. So we will apply and you can see that last 6 month data is available. So if I will include if you can see that last 6 months, September, October, November, December, January and February data. So last 6 months include today, yani today's data or today's data, and the last 6 months is already included in it. So this is all about our filter types of filter. So you can plug and play over here and you can present your dashboard or report in a meaningful way, that which are top, which are bottom, how, if you perform you show different you put different filters over there and put title over there, that this description over there, that this visual represent this sort of data and this sort of filters included in it. So it will be a very meaningful for you. So thanks for today, for watching my video. Subscribe the video, share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.